the Additional Director General of Foreign Trade, Director General of Pharmaxil, CMD of Bharat Biotech, and everybody else who's attended this particular event. I'm very grateful for the invitation to speak on this occasion of Vanichya Saptah and the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebrations, which have been designed as a week-long campaign to celebrate our own internal trends and build a strong vision for the future. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav was a tribute to all our freedom fighters, and essentially it's an opportunity for us to look back and realize that really, if we can see far, it is because we have been standing on the shoulders of giants. We will, of course, remember our freedom fighters, their sacrifices, their lofty ideals, and it is part of our mission here to educate our present youth to understand how exactly we came to be here. Back in 1947, India was supposed to be an experiment waiting to fail, and I put those in quotes because those were the words expressed by a leading publication in the West. We've come a long way in all these years, in 75 years, but we must also objectively evaluate our journey so far and possibly realize that we have to set our sights on new frontiers. As far as our state goes, our state potentiality, for us to achieve sustained economic growth, and the state has essentially over the last 7 years taken a lot of unprecedented initiatives for the promotion of foreign trade, particularly for boosting of our state exports. For while the state has been working for complete socio-economic development and generation of employment opportunities, we have also been looking very significantly at the diverse potential with competitive advantages in sectors of agriculture, allied industry and services and trade. The state has availability of abundant geographic resources at several locations. We have raw material, we have existing manufacturing practices, and wherever people have been interested in new opportunities, we have been very interested in being a catalyst for their further development. As per the Union Economic Survey reports, we've been showing an annual growth rate of 13.9% for the last 5 years. And as far as Niti Aayog's performance index goes, we are at 6th in all India, and among landlocked states, we are 2nd. The state is also a large producer of agricultural products, spices, cotton, rice, cereals, oilseeds, pulse, maize, meat, poultry, and it bears without saying that the state accounts for 1/3 of the country's pharmaceutical production and exports. Details have been discussed right here. I will not take much more except to say that from 2015 we had around 35,000 crores of merchandise exports, which has gone up to 65,000 crores today. Similarly, in IT and ITS, exports have gone up from 75,000 crores to 1,45,000 crores. The future augurs well for all of us, and I take this opportunity to place on record that we will provide whatever support be required from government machinery, also in terms of any other form of help that may be required from us. As far as this particular Vanichya Saptah is concerned, the state has been actively involved with central government in implementing the government initiatives of converting each district into an export hub. It's been talked about earlier here. We've been constituting our district export promotion committees in each district. We've spoken personally to district collectors. We have asked them to locate and identify which area they would be most well prepared to carry out extensive activity in. And we've also explored specifically potential export products in each of our districts and fuel economic growth and generate rural employment opportunities. Therefore, in our attempt to provide all coordinated synergized efforts toward trade and export promotion, it is also requested from my side personally to let us know at a very short notice any feedback that is possibly forthcoming regarding a particular sector or a particular product. We assure you that we shall take immediate action and right things wherever there is need for specific intervention. I wish Amrit Mahotsav in Telangana state to be a very grand success, and I request all budding entrepreneurs in the state and industry to come forward in large numbers, participate proactively, and strengthen the roots of our democratic republic. Thank you very much.